Hi. Okay, Dad and Scarlett here. We're gonna make the best paper airplanes ever, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to say how to do it or me?
Yeah.
Me? Okay. So we'll take the paper. We only have paper with holes in it, but that's still gonna work. We'll fold it in half, the long way. Okay.
Like this.
That's right. You show YouTube how
Like
it
that?
works. There you go. Yeah. There we go. Okay.
And that.
And then fold it back the other way so it's got a nice little crease down the middle. Yeah, that's it. You got it.
And check the subscribe button.
No, don't hit the subscribe button. No, never do another video like this.
So this one?
Yep. Perfect. All right. Good? Perfect. And you fold down the sides so it gets pointy in the middle. Right? Fold down one side, then the other side. Yeah, that's right. Nope, not like that. Down like that, like the sides. There you go. Okay, then we'll take the top bit, fold it down. Okay, so it makes kind of that shape. Is that what yours looks like? Perfect. Okay, then we'll take the middle part of that and fold it back up to the center. That's good. So it should look like that. Is that right? Is that what you got? Perfect. Okay, and we'll straighten that back down. And put the side corner bits to there. Like that. To where the fold is, put the point to the fold. Oh, mine's already showing signs of disaster. How's yours doing? Oh, yours is perfect. Good job. Okay. And then after that bit is folded to the point, we take this center flap and fold it up. Yeah, make sure it's perfectly centered there. Perfectly centered. Good. Should look like that. So what yours looks like? Exactly. Exactly the same. Then we'll fold the whole thing back into a half, like this. So it goes from this to that. Yeah, exactly. Right in half. There you go. And then we will take the sides and fold them down so that they are flush with the outside. So like that. Take it from folded in half to in half again. And make sure that that top bit of the wing totally matches up on both sides. Perfectly symmetrical. So it should look like that. Right?
Daddy, help me.
No, you're doing great. Oh, I've got part of mine popped out here. Yeah, you're doing it. Okay, now take the top down to give it wings, right? Wings so it looks like that. Okay, did you do it on both sides? Then you must be done. Okay, let's see. How do you turn this around?
Like this.
No, not like that. I don't know how to turn it off of selfie. Do you? Okay, well, it's probably not important. Okay, I'll hold it like that. And then you're going to show us how yours goes and how mine goes.
No, you're going to do yours and I'm going to do it.
Okay. That's pretty good. Here, do you want to throw mine? Or want me to throw it? I'll throw it.
No, I'm
You gotta remember. Okay. Okay. There you go. You hold it. You gotta remember that I've never made a paper airplane that flies. Get ready? Ready? Ta-da! Thanks for watching our video.
subscribe.
Subscribe. Okay. Bye. Bye, Andy, the only person who watches these videos.